Still wasting time chopping veggies every single day? What if you could prep everything in seconds? This one tool replaces multiple kitchen gadgets. Meet the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper, your all-in-one solution for faster, easier meal prep. With razor-sharp stainless steel blades, it slices, dices, and spiralizes vegetables in seconds, making it perfect for busy kitchens. No mess, no stress, the built-in container catches everything, keeping your counter clean. It's designed for comfort, too, with a soft grip handle and non-slip base, so it's safe, stable, and super easy to use. And when you're done, cleanup is effortless. Just rinse it or toss it in the dishwasher. If you want faster cooking, less mess, and smarter prep, this is a kitchen must-have. Grab yours now and upgrade your kitchen game. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart home reviews.